Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Claire. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my chicken tacos. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so here I have 3 pounds of chicken tenderloins that I have rinsed and pat dry. To this I'm going to add a bunch of seasonings, and I will put all the ingredients for this in the description box. So I have some cumin here, I have some Sazon complete, I have some onion powder, I have garlic, seasoning salt, chili powder, and adobo seasoning. So what you want to do is go ahead and pour all your seasoning into your chicken like this. So now you want to mix this into your chicken. Okay guys, now that this has all been mixed up, I'm gonna go wash my hands and show you guys what comes next. Okay guys, so I have my pan heating up on a medium heat, and what I'm gonna do is just add some oil to my pan. And that's about a tablespoon or so. Alright, so now what you want to do is go ahead and get your pieces of chicken and put them inside of your pan. And you want to cook your chicken in one layer. That way you're getting a nice brown sear on them. Now these chicken tenderloins aren't going to take long to cook, and you don't want to overcook them because you're going to wind up with dry chicken, and that's the last thing you want is dry chicken in your tacos. So you just want to cook these up until they brown on both sides. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip these over. You see that nice brown? That's the brown that you're looking for. So I'm going to flip the rest of these over and let them continue to cook. Okay guys, so these are ready to come out. As you can see, they're thoroughly cooked inside, and they still have juices running out of them. And that's what you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. I'm finished cooking up our last bit of chicken. And as you can see, you can just see that moisture just running off of that chicken. Let me bring you guys in close. You can see how moist that chicken is. So now what you want to do is take this chicken out, and you want to cut them into bite-sized pieces for your tacos. So I'm going to finish cutting our chicken up, and I'll be back to let you guys. Okay guys, so I'm finished chopping up our chicken, and as you see, here's the bowl that our chicken came from. So I'm just going to put all of the chicken back in here with the juices. Okay guys, now that you have your chicken back inside of your bowl of juices, what you want to do is just give it a little toss. So you're coating all of that chicken in those chicken juices at the bottom. Now that I'm finished doing this, what's tacos without its fixing? So let me show you guys what I put on my tacos. Okay guys, so for the sake of time, I cut up these things off camera. But here we have some jalapeno peppers, some cilantro, some romaine lettuce, some fresh tomato, some red onion, some fresh avocado, and I cut some lemon here into wedges so you can squeeze over top for that nice fresh taste. So now that we have everything here, let me show you guys how I assemble my tacos. Okay, so here's a tortilla that I had warming up. So what you want to do is get a nice bit of that meat in the bottom of your taco like this. Now you want to add a little lettuce like this. And take some of those jalapenos and sprinkle them on top, along with some of that fresh tomato. Then we're just gonna take a few chunks of that avocado and put it in there like that. I'm gonna take some of those onions and sprinkle them on top. And we're gonna take some of that cilantro, sprinkle that on top as well. And now we're just gonna sprinkle some of that fresh lemon juice on top. And go ahead and fold it up. And that's it, guys. That is how I make my chicken tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this video. And if so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.